Arr.
Howdy, pirates.
Previously on Cannacity Hustles.
We won the one with the safe at 470.
First off, guys, look at that. That's a safe.
Are you ready to crack this safe?
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
That looks like diamonds.
Uh-oh, what you got?
Uh-oh.
It is a sword.
Look at
Oh!
that. Nice.
Number
Another
2.
sword.
Damn! Is this Louis Vuitton? Really? Oh! Gucci purse.
Worth much more than a regular PS4.
Are you kidding me? Yes, I didn't make a bad choice after all.
Is that?
Harley Davidson jacket.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
I really like it.
Me too.
Kind of like a loft.
Why do you think I was enjoying it?
Are these guys?
Pretty comfortable.
Yes.
It's an Oregon Ducks bottle, and it's full of cash. Dollar bills, yo. Oh, you look great, honey. What's inside? $516.85.
If we get 100 subscribers, I'm going to get the skull and crossbone tattooed on my arm.
That I am going to put the Wolfpack skull and crossbones on there. So, but that's 1,000 subscribers, so you guys know what you need to do. Come on, internet.
Oh, what is that? That's not a toy, baby. I don't think you understand what that is.
And have some really interesting extracurricular activities. I mean, that's just on top of all the lingerie we have. There we go.
She said that there's actually change in there, so see if you can figure out how to get it out.
No, it's do it. Never let a P control order.
What?
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 Holy shit.
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, it is finally the final day of the safe unit. It is day 10, June 22nd, 2019, and we are finally going to finish this unit. So we're going to conclude this whole series of the safe unit today as we finish clearing out the rest of the trash, moving the furniture, and finally being done with it. Alright, so you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell. Alright, let's get started.
Things considered, at least a blue
I'm dealing with trash.
At least a blue whale's mouth.
We've got Jeff and Monica and Jimmy working on finishing up the rest of this unit, getting all the trash out. Monica's working on getting the save stuff out.
Well, at least I didn't like each other all day.
This is all cute. Hi, Jeff.
Hello. Weed! Can you believe it? All right, there.
We just found a bag of weed. It's crushed and it's stale, so we will not be smoking it, but that is, God, what, an ounce?
Yeah, close to.
Damn. Okay. Drugs in every unit, guys. So we are ready to go to the dump. We've got a full truck and trailer full of trash.
Full
Full
of trash.
of trash. Yeah. So this is all keep, and that's keep, and we've just about got all the trash out, and then there's just the furniture to move over, and then we'll just be about done. I don't know.
Nice and tight on this side.
Okay. Oh shit, yeah, let's plug that in.
Does it matter which way?
Yeah, it'll tell you.
Okay.
Replace your gold one you lost. Sweet.
Are you taking pictures of us?
Taking a video.
Okay.
Put mom's thing.
Well, we're at the dump, guys. Getting rid of some built up crap over many months. So, yay fun. We get to throw bags of trash over an edge and let them smash. Very piratey.
With all my heart, I'll hold on to you like the last to hold
What's up, guys? So I'm just here by myself now. The Jimmy and Jilly and Mitch went to the dump, and Jeff and Monica are loading stuff into the other unit. And I'm just sitting in here waiting for everybody to get back because there's not a lot I can do. So I thought I'd talk to you guys about kind of the story behind this unit. So I was just gonna try to show you, and I went through the personal documents that we have found, and I was gonna show you like highlights of some of the stuff that we found and just cover up the names. But it didn't quite work out that way because, well, I can't find them. The box is so big of personal stuff that I don't know where it went. So anyway, I'm just going to tell you about it. So they were evicted, which really sucks. Obviously, they were having major financial problems because they got evicted and then they lost their unit. So yeah, I feel really bad for them about that. However, some of the stuff we found out about them, first of all, I mean, weed is legal here, so that's not a big deal. But all of the other stuff that they were talking about using is not legal. At least not here. I don't think it's legal anywhere. So, yeah. The drug use is not so great. It could have led to the monetary problems and what led to them losing all of their stuff. But the other thing is that we found some legal documents, and they had some pretty serious criminal charges against them. So I don't know if maybe that was part of, like, if it was because of the drugs that they did the theft, or if, you know, I don't know. It could just be that they just have numerous issues. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that you guys get help, whoever you are, and yeah, hang in there. It gets better. Just please get clean. There is help out there. So get clean, stop stealing, and your life will get better. I wish I could show you guys the actual stuff, but I don't know what I did with it. So anyway, that's about the story. That's all that we've got. They were evicted. They had major financial problems. It looks like they got divorced because there was child support stuff involved and stuff like that. But there was the theft charge, and I can't remember what else. There was one other charge on there, but I don't remember what it was. Anyway, I don't know what they stole, but obviously she was into some interesting extracurriculars. We did find letters in jail and some apology letters and stuff like that. So it looks like she spent some time in jail and then got out, and then life got even worse for her. So it's a sad story, and we just really hope that she gets help, and that if any of you are struggling out there, I'll put the info on the screen again. If you are struggling with addiction, please reach out and get help. I'll put it on the screen right now, and just please call that number and reach out to someone. People care. They care. We all care. So, and it's not easy. Addiction is horrible. Just don't let it ruin your life. Please, please get help. Don't steal and lose all of everything in your life. I mean, like, it seemed like most of their life was in this unit, and that breaks my heart. And that's kind of the downside of this business, is that you see heartache in these people's stories, and yeah. Anyway, I wish the best for them and for anybody else that's out there struggling. I know all about struggles, so hang in there. And you know, if you want to reach out to me and you need someone to talk to, I would be more than willing to be that person for you. Okay? So please have hope. Be good. Don't steal. Don't get into trouble. Don't do drugs. Okay. All right. See you guys later.
You got anything to say? Got anything to say?
No, thank you. Good.
Oh, well, I'm not talking about the food, but like you said you wanted me to record.
I got not looking at it.
Oh.
So this thing's pretty much trash.
The roller, like all over the place.
Well, it's like less iron gets missing.
Should I follow you and record you there? Okay. Baby.
Almost looks like another old harmonica or something. Made by H.H. Homer in Germany.
Interesting.
Okay.
When work becomes too much and you just gotta have some fun,